Real sick, real sick. I like that one. Now, along the lines of the real sick bags this season, we've got probably in my opinion, the most fire bag. Check it out, guys. 2019 Cordura Supreme collab. It's got the Cordura fabric licensed, real sick, real sick. It's got the tie downs all over the bag, so you can tighten up, so you save some room. It always looks real nice. It's got 2 pouches on this one. I've been using this pretty much every day. I've been mountain biking with this. I've been doing my graffiti stuff with this. I've been doing some climbing with this. You can see I got all the carabiners all over there. This year it's all orange and blue this year for me, so I got orange accessories in the bag to match all my new mountain bikes and shit. But it comes with this really sick, let's peep this, coming tight, okay? So we've got this, it's got this really sick pouch here, you see? So this is really fire. And then it's got the nice Molly. This is a Molly accessory. It's got the Supreme branded. I always throw my AirPods in there, your lighters, your dime bags, whatever you're throwing in there. You can see it's got the Molly function on the back. Okay. Nice padded back. Real nice. You got that sick Supreme logo on the front. On top. Yeah.
On many bags.
And you've got the fire logo on the back. Now they've got these in blue, purple. They've got them in camo and they've got them in black, but the black is just too much. The black is sick.
Too much.
Everything's sold out real fast. Reselling these guys was already going up. So if you can get one, I bet you it'll be worth more real soon. So now normally, I'll show you. Here's your inside. You've got you've got that sick transparent Supreme logo. That's how you can tell it's real. Semi-transparent. You've got a whole bunch of different that's right. A whole bunch of organizers in here, and you got a zipper pouch. Now, I was telling you early, I normally just take my shoulder bag and throw it right in here. And so that's just fire. All the shit I need's lined up. So that's the 2019 Cordura Supreme backpack. Such nice material. I love the tie downs. I love all the hooks on them. You can put all your tech wear shit on there, all your hypebeast shit. Oh man, 10 out of 10 for me on backpacks, man. This is a fire backpack. Yeah, definitely love this one. Definitely love this one. And yeah, pimp it out yourself. Get all that sick shit on there. Hey guys, I just finished editing that video you watched. I wanted to remind you to make sure to go check me out on Instagram. I'm going to post all the pictures of me and all my freshest Supreme gear there. That's good_guy_biker on Instagram. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. I'm posting videos about the entire fall/winter 2019 collection from Supreme. That's youtube.com/goodguybiker. And of course, follow me on Twitter. It's @SpillyGuy, SPILLY. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next fall/winter 2019 Supreme review hands-on. We got like 14 more to come, guys, so hold on.